The first firearm defense that we're going to work on and learn is if a gun is held at head height facing towards you. So you are facing towards your attacker and the gun is right in front of you. Now, a couple of things to understand. So when the gun is here, if I'm back here, I've got to close. Now, how do we close that distance? Because remember, I can't reach it. It's not going to work out well. So I've got to talk. Go ahead, get your hands up to hand height, and you're going to talk to the attacker. If it's a robbery, you're going to say, my wallet is in so-and-so. You know, if it's somebody who's pulled a gun on you for other reasons, you've got to talk to them. They need to listen. Let them listen, and that gives you the chance to come in. Now, from here, a couple of things we want to do. The easiest place to send that firearm is straight up, right? Because that means if it goes off, it's going off into the sky rather than at harm's height. It's not going to shoot you. The other thing, though, is we've got to get our head out of the way. So we've got to get down below as our arms come up. So it's going to look like this. I'm going to take you through slowly first. We're going to drop out. Now, the right hand is going to come directly under the barrel in like a V shape. Grab control of the barrel. With the firearm, we need to control the barrel. This other hand is going to come on top of the gun, maybe even on top of the hammer. From there, we're going to just drive the pistol straight back. That creates the release, and then we can pull it back. Once we pull it back, we don't want to bring it back in front because then they can take it. So we're going to keep it back to our hip and create some distance. So again, from here, it's here. We're going to shoot up, grab that, step in as we roll the barrel back, and then strip it away. And from here, we bring it back here. Going from the other side so you can see. It's here. We are going to drop out, roll, and pull back. Now, in order to get below the gun, dropping is going to be difficult. We're going to kick our legs out almost like a gymnast. We're going to shoot our legs out and drive the arms up. Now, the other thing that we do not want are T-Rex arms. So we don't want to go, you can see that's not going to work. We've got to really extend, come up, and pull back. So when we're dealing with that, one more time, we're here. We're going to drop below. Boom, it just went off. We're going to roll it back. That creates the break. And then we strip the gun. So if you are practicing by yourself, visualize there's a gun here and practice these motions and then stripping. You can put the gun out. Visualize there's a firearm right here. Practice that. Then the strip forward and then pull back. This is a rolling motion. Once you roll it, then you're able to slide it back. So practice those. Once you're comfortable, we'll go on to the next disarm.